In this video, I'm going to show you how to make NinjaTrader run faster. So I'm actually going to show you some tips and tricks and some settings you can actually do to make your NinjaTrader run faster and much more smoother. Now, the first thing we're going to do here is change indicator calculation settings. So by default, some indicators recalculate every single time a tiny price tick moves. And changing this to look at the close of a bar saves massive CPU power and reduces lag, makes it run faster. So you want to right click anywhere on your chart and you want to go to indicators. You could also press on Ctrl+I on your keyboard, which is the default shortcut, and it's going to open up the indicator settings. Now over here you'll see there's going to be, of course, a bunch of different things. Now don't actually worry too much about these. All we have to do over here is go to setup, and where it says calculate, you want to go and switch from where it says on each tick to something like on bar close or on price change. So I'm actually going to do on bar close over here and then hit the apply button and OK button as well. That's the first thing you can do. Then the second one here is going to be to reduce days to load. So loading years of 1 minute data forces NinjaTrader to actually hold millions of data points in your computer's memory. So we can kind of change this by right-clicking on your chart and then selecting data series, which is over here, or press Ctrl and F on your keyboard, the default shortcut. From here, it's going to open up this, and of course what you want to do is look for days to load, which are inside time frame. So it says days to load over here, and usually you're going to have this number at like 30 or maybe even like 100 or something in between. So basically change this high number down to something smaller, maybe like even 5 or 10 days for intraday trading, or maybe even less, like 3. So up to you. I'm going to keep this at 5. I changed this already. And what you can also do in here is turn off tick replay. So again, inside data series, Control F, you want to go to up top where it says data series, and then from here it says tick replay. If that's enabled, go ahead and turn this off, okay? Now, tick replay is highly resource intensive because it actually processes every historical trade sequence. Now, if you basically turn this off, if you don't use it, you can of course easily turn this off, and that's essentially going to help you out. So that's kind of the main things you can do in here inside your chart. Then the second tip I have for you is to close unused workspaces. So even if you cannot actually physically see the workspace, it actually can still run in the background using live memory if it is open. So to see this, go to workspaces up top. And from here, you may have a bunch of different ones. I only have this one and it's not even active, but if it was, it would be kind of green. So there should be like a green box next to it. Usually there is. So to do this, you can just go and hit this close button next to it, and it's actually going to ask you if you want to save it. I'm going to do no, and there we go. It's actually going to close that specific workspace like it did for me, and as you can see, it's going to run faster because of that, okay? And of course, you can do this for every single unused workspace and close it, and ensure only one single active trading workspace is running. Otherwise, of course, you're slowing down your NinjaTrader. Then what you can also do is clean up your duplicate charts. So if you have multiple charts, multiple things are getting processed in the back. So to basically, instead of opening 4 separate windows in the same, for example, workspace, you could just go and use different chart tabs, or you could just like close down one tab and open a different one. You could always go and also like just change charts in between to actually go and view the ones you want, and it's going to help you much more, okay? So that's also one thing you can do. But then of course you could do something like clearing your database. If you want to know how to do this, it's actually super simple. You want to go to tools up top and you want to go to database management and then reset, and you can go and reset database. Now that's going to remove your historical orders and executions, but of course if it's basically lagging for you, you can go and do this by hitting the reset button and confirming it. Of course you must disconnect first, but that's how you do this, and that's also going to help. Just note that it's going to remove all the things that are checkmarked over here. You could also try repairing it if of course you are of course experiencing severe issues, but if the issues are so big, you can only do this if of course NinjaTrader support is directing you to do it, okay? Otherwise, I would advise against it, as it says over here, it should only be used when directed by NinjaTrader support, okay? So those are kind of all the best ways to actually kind of fix your lag and make NinjaTrader run faster. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.